In this video I'm going to show you how to get Robux in Please Donate. So it's pretty simple. So first you want to find an empty stand like this one, for example, and here you want to claim the stand, so just press E. Here it's press and hold. So after you do this, here it's asking, seems like you're new to this game, would you like to take a tutorial? No. So here, once you claim a stand, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna try and sell stuff for people to like people will buy stuff from you, and this is how you're gonna like get Robux basically. So what you're gonna do, like just click here and let's try to add stuff here. Let's see, exit tutorial, no. Okay, let's just see, go through this. So here it was actually telling me to create a pass. So if I go back to the Robux and click the plus button, click yes, here you're just gonna copy this. So go back to your Chrome account here, and if you paste it, it will allow you to create a pass. So you can name it anything like pass 1 or anything and add a description, for example. I'm just doing this very quickly just to demonstrate. So after you do this, let me see if I can find it now. So as you can see, it's giving me instructions on how to do it. So if you go back and click on the sales here, let's just see what I can do here. Open in tab, let's open this one, and let's see, let's go back here. So once you open it, the pass that you created, and go to sale, I think you should be able to find this item where you can enable it to be for sale, and just put a price here. So let's say 20, and just save the changes here, and I think this should be enough, and this should allow you to see the pass. So let's see if that okay, let's see if that works. Let's go back to Robux. Now let's see. Okay, doesn't seem like it works, but let's try this one more time. Okay, so here it's telling you to make regional pricing off. So I believe that option is over here. So if you select this and disable regional pricing, this should disable it. So let's see if that works. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's go next, and let's see if that works. Okay guys, so it was actually there the whole time. You just had to go to your booth right here and just find the edit button, and if you edit and refresh, you should be able to see it. As you can see, the price has already arrived here, so people can be able to buy your pass and you can earn Robux. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.